eyes of my heart, Lord. Open the eyes of my heart. I want to see you. I want to see you. Yo. Come on. Wake up in the morning and I look up in the sky, giving me a reason never have to wonder why. And now I find myself upon my knees and I'm praying to the Father, raining from the heavenly. Can you feel the Spirit as He's calling you to come home to your family? Please turn away from whatever's killing you and tearing you, not feeling you.
Rocks in the trees and the bees and the bird that I overheard rapping on the breeze. How MCs were stationary, so we threatening to send them back home, cause the lack of praise with no raise from the backbone. Speaking on a jack poem, only where the whack roam. So we lead them to the very place that my wax grown. Noise like a saxophone, filtered through the sky. Condense the quarter notes that's raining from Adonai.
Open the eyes of my heart, Lord. Yeah. Open the eyes of my heart. I want to see you. I want to see you.
The Most High, creating a cycle to keep it balanced. He's pouring down skills, so we sending back talents to fulfill the ill, calling with ink spill, so effervescence can feel the presence of God's will. I'm here to serve, not going by things deserved, just listening for reverb that's coming from my proverb. They're taking our place, that's what I overheard from the rocks and the trees and the bees and the birds.
Saying, holy, holy, holy God, won't you purify my heart, oh Lord? And while you're at it, open my eyes. Open my eyes. So I can see you.
I want to see you.
How I need to see you.
I want to see you.
See you high. See you
Lifted up.
high and lifted up. Lord, shining your glory. Wonderful glory, Lord.
Open my heart, take every single part that's inside. In the shadow of your wing, I'm left with nothing to hide. My darkness is revealed in the light that you bring. Take everything from